welcome to my channel. Today we are here in Jubail Island. It's our second time to be here. Last time was in 2020, last year before the lockdown. And as you can see, only us today. And today is the first day of Ramadan. So definitely people are on fast and they are not here and it's empty. We will enjoy. Come, let's tour. So they have created this broad walk pathway so that we could walk around the mangrove park. It's a really nice feeling. Still, it is not hot. The air is so fresh. Very nice actually. I really liked it. Jubail Mangrove Park is the first self-contained educational, nature and leisure destination of its kind in the Emirate of Abu Dhabi, UAE. Here you can visit and explore a haven for avian and marine species native to Abu Dhabi. But foremost, this is a mangrove sanctuary. Its aim is to enhance the awareness, appreciation, and understanding of the important ecological function of the mangrove habitats that include protection of the Abu Dhabi coastline and supporting biodiversity. A meandering boardwalk will take you through the mangroves and allows you to discover Abu Dhabi in its essence. That's Ate Era, pretty Ate Era. Hi, say hi. Hi. Ayan guys, talagang kami lang. Only us. And time check, it's 5 o'clock. Hi, Leia. So we are here in a floating platform. This is so relaxing. Wow, I like the fresh air. Actually, we can do kayak here. We will do it next time, not now. We just want to roam around the area for now. Parang exclusive, very exclusive for us. It's just a perfect time. Kasi alam mo na, COVID, there are so many restrictions. Tugang kay isda lang oh, nagtapok sila oh. Murag na ipagkaon diha ba oh. The power of the sea. So they have made this. Maybe you can walk on that. But double purpose, sightseeing at the same time walking, di ba? So it's so nice to be with nature. It really helps in our mental and physical health. Yes. So if you are tired, you can sit over here. There is a long bench provided. You wanna keep on going? So here that this is a habitat for many birds and fishes and crabs and many other animals. Dumadami na yung mangroves. Not like before, maliliit pa sila. Last year, parang maliit pa yung iba. This time, parang hindi ko na makita yung building na dun sa entrance banda. See that? Very safety talaga sila guys. May fire extinguisher pa. Una kayong mangroves lang, no? So we will just so dito tayo sa tagari. So this station is the roots of mangrove. Which it says here that the root system of mangroves plays important roles in coastal ecosystems. Good to know. So this is a station where you can sit again and relax and be one with nature. If it is high tide, you can hang your feet and play with the seawater. This is another station, guys. So we are going to climb up there to see the view. This is called the viewing tower. Kaya mo yan, anak. Huwag na yung bagtak kaway. Very good. Good job, palangga.
Gusto niyo sa kasapad. Isa pa ka din. Pag na yung gusto. Sige.
That tall buildings. But anyway, we'll focus on the mangrove part. So this is it. You can do it, Leah.
Slowly.
You can do it, Leah Queen. Ang sarap-sarap naman ng hangin. Uy. Wow.
Last one. Tapay?
This station is the salt collectors. So basically, they're tired. So napalaka.
Dan ako kapilo. Wala kay water. Wala water si Leah.
Hi guys, meron din siyang dry area sa likod ko. Walang tubig. This area is the beach platform. So, ayan. You can We are nearing towards the end, guys. Naririnig mo pa ba yung bird eh? Si bird chirping. Yeah. We're almost here. It is such a lovely day with nature, guys. I hope you enjoyed the virtual tour. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, as always. God bless you all. See you in my next video. Wala talaga katao-tao kasi only us and us alone. So when we were here last year, it was like fully occupied. The parking space was fully occupied, and even the benches was still not there when people were sitting.